Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to actually play with Windows builds and talk how to install them. Which one to choose? This one. Installation. E. Sorry, volume before I get on. Hello everyone, today we're going to install the 7 edit cheese set a date. Shoot BIOS now. Boot CD now. Loading files. Shoot down the game. Windows Vista boot screen. Let's do the full screen. Whoa. Welcome to setup. Setup has not started successfully. We'll have Windows 7 now. Background. Setup is what? Wait, please wait, I didn't meant to say that. Please accept everything before you leave. Installing Windows, expanding files forever. Alright. Speed up the video. Still expanding the files. Windows will restart cleanly. Please should restart the computer as soon as possible. Starting Windows new boot screen is finally here. Go to the text setup. Skipping 10 seconds. Speeding up again. Starting Windows. Is voice recorded? If there is no voice recorded, then stop the recording and then use voice.